Welcome to another video. Today I'm working on the Bose acoustic mouse bass module 300, and it has no power, so it's just a common issue. Common, when I use the word common, is because I've had a few now of my own that had the power loss on them, and then I had a friend of mine who said, "Oh, I've got no power." So let's see what we can do. So we're going to open this up first of all because it's out of warranty. I have already opened the screws, so I'm just going to flip it over and then show you what the inside is like. Right, so I won't recommend you opening any of the screws on the side, on the edges. Just open the ones on the center plate, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws basically. There would be 2 underneath the label, so it's better to peel the label off rather than probing it through. So peel the label off and then take out the screws. Once the screws come out, you notice the plate will actually release itself, and that can be lifted on its own, so that the plate will come out. Here we go. And the plate comes off. That would give you access to the circuit. On the circuit there would be about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, say about 5 or 6 screws. Open those up as well, and then lift the plate from the edge. And there would be a power cable here, so you can disconnect that power cable, and as you're going to lift it and it will come off, there will be another ribbon cable on the side which will be connected over here, so on the white piece. So if I show you, it will be connected on this piece here. So you want to get that out as well, so you pull that out, so that would get rid of this ribbon cable, and then once the ribbon's out, the circuit board will come off, and we can then inspect what's going on with this. Right, so as it stands, after watching a few videos of course, which were, some of them are not very clear, it seems that there is a component on the circuit board which is next to one of the capacitors here. It's just about this one here. So if I zoom in, you can actually have a look. So that's this. Let me see if I can zoom in. Focus, yeah. So it seems to be this this one here. So this component here, this looks like it's a diode, and that needs to be pulled out. So once we remove that, we have to replace that, and hopefully we'll get the power back on. I can only tell you once I've done it. At the moment the board is dead, so I cannot say. I haven't actually been through any of the tests yet, because some of the common issues are so common that it's just pointless looking at the board, because it's just the same thing goes over and over again. Overall the condition of the board is good. I've looked at all the caps, they're all looking good as well, and there's just no power, so hopefully if we change that part, that should be okay. Let's try it out. Right, so I have removed the it's called the SMA, I believe that's what it says on the here it is. So I've removed that, which was sitting right about there, so that's been removed. I'm going to replace that with a new one. It has got a line on it, and line has to be aligned with the other one, which I presume this is a polarity, and minus would be, the line means it's minus, so that's pretty much it. So I'll install a new one and recap and see, hopefully it will power on. Right, so the new one has been soldered on, so if I just zoom in, there it is, I've put that on, so it looks okay. It's gone down and that's been installed. Just going to put it together and power it back up. So just remember, on the board, if you're looking at it, here's the power connector here, AC goes in, and this is where that part was. So yeah, the manufacturer code is B2100A. That's B2100A. Okay. Alright, and let's see if it works. So the part is now installed, and let's see how it works. Either it's going to work or it might not. Let's just see. Right, so I'm just going to power this on and see how it goes. Power on, and see if the status light comes on or not. Oh, the light is on. We have success. So it looks like that part is a known component in these subwoofers that goes. After we replace the part, the subwoofer is absolutely fine. So that's a bonus. So hopefully this will definitely help someone who has got this problem. So if this subwoofer has no power, just change one of those components and the power comes back up. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and hopefully this should work. Until next time, bye for now.